Hello guys, welcome back to my channel after a long time. So today let's make this delicious recipe using string hoppers. Hi, I'm Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you will enjoy this video. First, I am adding some coconut oil into a non-stick pan. Then I am adding some chicken sausages cut into little pieces. Fry them until they are golden brown color. Now for the same oil, I am adding some onion and garlic. When the onion becomes translucent, I am adding a tomato cut into pieces and a small piece of capsicum. I added some salt, chili powder and little bit of pepper. Now I am adding some mustard powder and little bit of turmeric. Mix everything together and add little bit of oyster sauce as you prefer. Now add the fried sausages and mix everything well. I added some curry leaves in the last moment. So now the last thing we need is string hoppers. You can use freshly made ones, but here I am using leftover string hoppers in the morning. Crush them into small pieces while adding. Mix everything well and our India Kottu is ready. You can use chicken, prawns or any other meat variety for this. This is very delicious and easy to make. You don't need any other curries for this. You can eat this as it is. Thank you for watching my video. We'll meet again in another one. So until then, bye.